Next is session 3, that is share and review a spreadsheet. This is something very important, but I will tell you the pros and cons of using this in these spreadsheet softwares and others. So just a second. Few things I need to first explain to you regarding this. How do we share worksheet? What do you mean by sharing a worksheet or sharing a workbook? Normally in companies, okay, in a company, you can see that there are multiple departments. Okay. There is a design team, there is a supervisor, there is an analyst, and there is a manager. Manager is responsible for all these teams, right? All these people. And normally what they have a shared drive. You can always create a shared drive on your computer, right? Or a shared folder, a folder which will contain all the data, right? A shared folder which will contain all the data which the manager wants everybody to collaborate on. Collaborate means to work together. एक ही फाइल है जिसपे बहुत सारे लोग एक साथ काम कर सकते हैं, right? And the changes will be reflected on that. आपने क्या एनालिस्ट ने कुछ चेंज किया या डिजाइन टीम ने कुछ चेंज किया तो वो सब कुछ एक ही फाइल में दिखेगा. So the manager can also keep a watch that which team or which person is doing what on that file. Okay. So it is just like we use Google Sheets, okay, Google Forms, which is shared by people, right? The Google Sheets, one spreadsheet is created, one table is created, multiple teachers want to work on that same sheet, so the link is shared with all of them, so everybody collaborates and enters their data. So in LibreOffice Calc, OpenOffice Calc and Excel, they also have this feature of sharing documents among multiple users so that all of them can work on the same document, and when they work on the same document everybody can see the changes. So it is like this. All are connected to this shared drive. Okay, this shared public drive, everybody is connected to it. Now suppose this file is being currently accessed by the analyst, so he is making some changes into it. Once he makes the changes, now it is already there. So this, I am just showing it to you that he makes the changes and this file is still over here. Then this file goes to the supervisor, he makes the changes. Then this file is accessed by the design team, they make some changes, okay. And finally the manager can see what changes have been made by everyone. Understood this? So normally in company setting, they have this kind of a shared drive, right? So over here, we are going to just, and here also in our school also, we have a shared drive. So I'll just show it to you. I'm just going to this, you can see in the file explorer, you will find a network because we have a full-fledged network here. So I'm going to the server network and you will be able to see that these are all the drives. There is a shared printer, there is a shared folder D drive, public, okay, users SQL 2012. So I'm going to go to users, go to public, and there is a folder by my name over here, as you can see, that is Gargi. So I'm going to place my file over here, right? So let's see. So I'm going to open my workbook. So this is my workbook, and what I want to do is I want to share this workbook with one of my colleagues, right? So in order to do that, I need to give share access to that person. I need to share this workbook. So for this purpose, I will go to tools, okay? I'll go to options, and from here I will go to LibreOffice. And you can see this top part, LibreOffice, and I'll go to user data. One user is already entered. Okay. So what I can do is I can just enter the name of someone. Suppose my colleague's name is Manish Singh. Manish Singh Verma. Right. So that is the name of the person with whom I have shared this. If I want, I can add other details about Manish also, like the company he works in. So he works in. He's also an imaginary member of St. Montfort School. Street. I'm just entering here. Ryerson Road. City, Bhopal. State, MP. Zip code 4620. Okay, title position, maybe that person is an admin, right? And some phone number for that person. I've just enter an imaginary phone number. That's all with the data, and I'll just click on apply and click on OK. I've just added a user over. Now to share this file. So to share this file, I'm going to go to tools and I'm going to select this option. You can see here, share spreadsheet. Right? I'm going to click on this share spreadsheet, and on this you see a check mark, a checkbox. Share this spreadsheet with other users, and you can see users currently accessing this spreadsheet is Manish Singh, right? That Manish Singh could be me also. That is a person who is currently accessing that. So when I share this, suppose I am Manish Singh and I am accessing the sheet right now, okay, and I have entered all my details earlier. Now, when I share this spreadsheet and keep it on the shared drive, other users who are working or collaborating on this spreadsheet, they are also going to go to that option and they are going to enter their details, right? So now over here, I'm going to share the spreadsheet with other users. So I'll just check mark on this, right? There is a note, you should read the note. Changes to formatting attributes like fonts, colors, and number formats will not be saved. And some functionalities like editing charts and drawing objects are not available in shared mode. There are some pros and cons to shared mode also. Some features you can use in shared mode, some features you cannot. Students, this part, please read it because this can be asked in your MCQ as a competency based question. So turn off shared mode to get exclusive access needed for those changes and functionalities. Because various things like if somebody wants to change the format, that won't be visible. Okay, that won't be saved. If functionalities like editing charts, drawing objects, that is also not available. Only data changes are reflected and saved. Okay, so once you have shared, click on OK, and now the spreadsheet must be saved now to activate sharing mode. Do you want to continue? Yes. And now on the title bar you can see this word appears, that is shared. Now what I can do is I can keep this file in that shared folder. So I'm going to close this. From here, I'm going to open another window of File Explorer. I'll go to the location where I have saved the file, and that is within Resources. And this is the file LibreOffice. Yeah. Okay. And I'm just going to click on Control C for copy, and I'll come back over here in public. I'll go to this, that is Gargi. Or I'll do one thing. I'm not going to copy this. I'm going to cut this from here. Okay. That is, I'm moving it and I'm going to place it over here. So I now placed it within on the server public folder. Now anybody who has access, now public folder is usually a folder which is accessible to everyone, right? So n number of people who are connected over here, they can open this spreadsheet and they can work on it, right? So now it's going to take a while because now it is on a shared drive. So the processing will be a bit slow. So just stay tuned. So I'm going to go to start LibreOffice, and I'm going to open this file. So I'm going to go to open file. I'll scroll down here to network and server and go to users, public, folder, and select electronic spreadsheets. Click on open. Now it will take a while to open because it is on a shared drive. And now you can see a pop-up appears. The spreadsheet is in shared mode. This allows multiple users to access and edit the spreadsheet at the same time, and the same warning appears over. Click on OK and you can now start working on this. So what somebody thinks that, okay, what we are going to do is expand this employee code. So select this and just drag it downwards to give employee codes to all of them using autofill. Okay, so this is one thing which happened. Next is somebody thinks that, okay, I want to change this particular data. That is Anuradha Shivhare got a slight increment in her salary. So let us give 15,000 increment to her, right? So this way anybody can make changes. Okay, like Joseph P now becomes a senior operator instead of operator, and because he is now promoted, he also gets a salary raise to 30,000. Okay, so these changes are made. So because this entire workbook was shared, hence people can collaborate and work on this. But let me tell you one thing, students. This thing will be visible to all the users. Let me tell you one thing. The thing is, normally software like MS Excel, LibreOffice Calc or OpenOffice Calc, these are not well suited for sharing and collaborating. Although the feature is given, but it is very complicated. First you need to create a shared drive, then you need to share this, switch on these options, register the users, and then put the file on that shared drive and then collaborate. Instead of that, the best tool for doing the collaboration work is your Google Sheets. Okay, Google Sheets allows you to do all this through the internet. You don't need to have a private LAN or a local area network, or you don't need to have a kind of a shared folder or a drive on your PC. Simply you need to log in with your Gmail ID and there you will find Google Sheets. Google Sheets provides you better collaboration features. Now because we have an option, people rarely use this sharing or collaborating feature in LibreOffice Calc, OpenOffice Calc or Excel still is shared because Excel also has provided Office 365. Everybody has a OneDrive account, so you can keep it on your OneDrive cloud, and from there you can just share it and multiple people can collaborate. So many features still work in Excel, but OpenOffice Calc and LibreOffice Calc, it's a complete, I mean, it's not a very popular option, let me tell you that. Okay, because you have better features, better and easy to use features available. Why would somebody go for a complicated one? Got it? So this is how you share your files using what? This LibreOffice. So now this shared thing, everything, now I made some changes or anybody else made any changes, that will be visible to all the users who are collaborating on the shared, right? Now I set it over here, right? And let me open this now. And at any point, if you feel that you want to stop sharing this, you can simply go to Tools, Share Spreadsheet, and uncheck this box and click on OK. So now it is no longer shared. Click on Yes, and it will take some time, and you can see the shared keyword is gone from here, from the title bar, right? So that was sharing.